Hello there, today I'm going to show you the 3 ways how to take off your new drone. Alright, our drone is sitting on a flat surface for a safe takeoff. And next we will need to power on our drone by pressing and hold the power button for 2 seconds. And we will need also our RC controller to be on to control our drone. And you can see the gimbal is doing diagnostic tests. And now the RC controller and the drone is bind together. And put the joystick in place. Okay, so these are the 3 common ways to take off your drone. Okay, the first one is to push the joystick towards each other, release it, and then push the button up to take off. And push down the joystick to this end. And the second way to take off your drone is to push the joystick towards a part and then release, and then push up the left joystick to take off. And push down the left joystick to this end. Now it's landed. The third way is by using the auto takeoff. The auto takeoff button is located on the left side of the screen. Tap the takeoff button, hold until the drone takes off. The drone will automatically take off for about 1 meter up high. And that's it guys, I hope you like this video and I hope you learned something today. And of course I will see you again for my next vlog. Cheers!